to my YouTube channel. We are going to be starting the series on .NET programming, specifically VB.NET, and we are going to be using Visual Studio 2019, and we are going to start with basic concepts and then some advanced topics in VB.NET. So let's get started. To be learning about the console applications, and console applications are the simplest type of applications, and these applications do not really have a user interface, and they are just like an MS-DOS program, and when you press a key you come out of that program. Here are some parts: module space module name, sub main, then end sub, and module. So basically this is the basic structure. Module is basically another item which is basically not a class. It is basically a block of code that contains methods and classes and functions, whatever you want. So module is basically a block of code. It is a box inside which we have different modules, different functions, different methods, classes, objects, and all. And then this main sub basically refers to the subroutine or the function. And then finally we have the main function, and you all know already that execution always starts with the function main. Console applications, I will go to new, and then new, for example project. I will now create a console application. So this is console app. On the left you can see right here, and it's in Visual Basic. Next, if it is not shown, you can search, for example, for me file new project. For here, because I created one, so it is showing here. If it's not shown, you can type here console application, and it will come here as well. So it's totally up to you, right? You can create in C# and Visual Basic and everything. I'll click this. Next, console application 1. I'll give it this name, create. So it will take a bit of time while creating a project, a new project, and you see that this is totally different from what we have already done, and it is already written console.writeline hello world. So first, import systems. System is basically the main file, the main library that has to be imported. A system is the basic library after which includes all the libraries. So you definitely have to import system, and S should be capital, I should be capital. Then name of the module, it's important because in VB we work in modules, and this is basically the module name program, and inside module we have the main function. Sub means subroutine, and it's a function, so it's a main function, the name right here. Args as string, you would have to write it as it is, and this is control.writeline hello world. So let's see, let's build this solution. Build solution. Okay, now we are going to simply start debugging, same as previous. So instead of a form or a Windows application, a console application, MS-DOS type of a window appears, and here you see hello world is printed right here, your output. So this is how it will run. It will show in console, and right here what I can do, if I give write line console dot write hello, and here I finish this write line, and then I will build it again. Build solution. Okay, it's still building. Debug, start debugging. So you see this is the output, hello world in one line, hello in next line. So if we give here if we don't give write line here, so it will print both on the same line. So what we are going to do next is we are